हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ जमैका में। जमैका किंगस्टोन जो कैपिटल है जमैका की, मैं पहुँचा हूँ कल। तो आपको दिखाता हूँ कैसा दिखता है जमैका। ये है किंगस्टोन सिटी जो कैपिटल है जमैका की। बहुत धूप है यहाँ पे। लगभग 42-43 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर रहेगा। तो खतरनाक धूप है। विदाउट एसी तो आप गाड़ी में बैठ ही नहीं सकते, ऐसा धूप है। यह है मेरा रूम। यह है होटल कोर्टयार्ड मैरियट। यह है वॉशरूम। कल मैं था सैंटो डोमिंगो, डोमिनिकन रिपब्लिक, और आज आया हूँ यहाँ पे मैं दूसरे कैरिबियन कंट्री में जो है जमैका। तो इट्स वेरी हॉट हियर। लेट्स सी। Are you from India?
No, Trinidad.
Okay.
Yeah.
You look like Indian.
Yeah, I am.
तो दोस्तों, हम आए हैं अभी होटल कोर्टयार्ड मैरियट। मेरे पीछे जो दिख रहा है वो है होटल कोर्टयार्ड मैरियट, और ये है होटल का लॉबी। कोर्टयार्ड मैरियट होटल का लॉबी। मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको होटल। ये है होटल का लॉबी, कोर्टयार्ड मैरियट होटल का लॉबी। ये आउटसाइड। ये है रेस्टोरेंट। ये है लॉबी। तो यहाँ पे बैठ के तो जैसे मैं बात कर रहा था कंट्री की, जमैका की। जमैका एक कैरिबियन आइलैंड कंट्री है। इनके ऊपर भी अंग्रेज़ों ने राज किया था, इसलिए ये लोग इंग्लिश बोल पाते हैं। इनकी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ही इंग्लिश है। तो यहाँ पे आपको कोई तकलीफ नहीं आएगी लैंग्वेज को लेके। लैंग्वेज अगर लैंग्वेज बैरियर नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो आप ये आराम से आपकी लैंग्वेज समझ पाएंगे। इंग्लिश है, समझ पाएंगे। बहुत हॉट कंट्री है, टेम्परेचर ख़तरनाक है। मुझे इतनी कुछ अच्छी नहीं लगी कंट्री, मतलब इतनी कुछ डेवलप नहीं है। ये कैरिबियन कंट्री जो जानी जाती है वो ब्लैक मनी छुपाने के लिए जानी जाती है। तो अभी वर्ल्ड का बहुत सारा ब्लैक मनी ये कंट्री में आके छिपा है। पिक 4 लैंग्वेज।
4? Okay.
इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी।
That's an Indian language?
Yes, local language.
And the other one is?
Gujarati also, small. But main three languages.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're trying to speak any other like international language?
English.
Eh?
No. Rather than English.
Yeah, other English. You're trying to learn something else?
No, only English.
Oh, English. No Spanish, no.
No Spanish. I tried to learn Spanish, but it's very difficult.
Yeah.
So I thought let's continue with English only. Most of Latin American people speak Spanish.
Oh, yeah.
What type of food you eat, Jamaican people? Rice.
Rice.
Okay.
Rice and flour.
Okay.
In terms of dough, all type of dough.
Okay.
Bake, bacon, rice, bake stuff, and
Okay.
chicken.
Okay.
And the main dish we eat pretty much is rice and chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
But chicken is like fresh chicken or the processed, frozen?
Yeah, mainly processed.
Because in India we don't use process.
Oh.
We cut the chicken fresh.
Yes. And
Like-
kill it.
Yeah, kill it 1 hour back.
Yeah.
And then cut it and then prepare it.
We don't have the time for that. We just go to the store,
Okay.
get a frozen chicken,
Yeah.
or unfrozen.
Yeah.
What some people do though, they go by the farm, or we go by the chicken farm.
Correct.
And they will buy it. But they will order it. They will order it with it already killed and everything.
Okay.
But they get it from the farm, so they have that in their fridge frozen and stuff to never to use it.
Yes. Because we don't have frozen fruit,
Okay, you did fresh.
fresh.
Yeah,
So we have chicken shops.
Okay.
Every corner, every nook and every corner, you will find chicken shop. You just tell them, okay, we want 1 kg, 2
Yeah.
kg.
Yeah.
So he will say, okay, wait 5 minutes.
Okay.
So in front of you only he will cut fresh, and he will make it the pieces, small chops, and then he will pack and he will
So
give
when you order, they will go get it same time, kill it everything.
it. Correct.
Okay, wow. That's very good. We don't do that here, right?
So if you want small chicken, big chicken,
Yeah.
is choice is yours.
So that means they do it really fast.
Yeah. To cut chicken is very easy, no?
Yeah.
Cut just leg and the head, and take the skin out of the
No,
chicken.
but you're talking about to make sure when you kill it, you have to put it in hot water, then you pick it,
Ah.
then you clean it out.
Correct.
So all that.
Clean. And when we take that chicken to our home,
Yeah.
that time also we clean it properly.
Okay.
Then we marinate. We put some salt,
Yeah, I see what you say.
some spices.
Yeah.
And we eat. Even bread also we prepare very fresh.
Yeah. We don't practice fresh. We don't practice eat. We don't practice eat fresh here.
Okay.
Because everything is coming from the American system,
Ah.
and they have it worse because everything for them is like ready made.
Ah. But America don't have any hold on you, no?
Oh yes, they do.
They have?
Yes. Hey man, we're pretty much.
Amber reported ahead.
It seems like we answer to America more than we answer to England.
Ah, is it?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because of corruption and these things, they tend to have a lot of hold on us,
Ah.
And because what happened? Why is that so? Because if we don't do what they want, they take away our visa.
Ah.
They use the visa thing to
Okay.
chain us.
Okay.
Yeah.
To hold you.
Hold it, right?
तो दोस्तों मैं आया हूँ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट सैफ्रॉन किंगस्टन। रेस्टोरेंट तो अच्छा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे सारे रेस्टोरेंट के ही रेस्टोरेंट्स ही है। मतलब एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पे सारे रेस्टोरेंट है। कम से कम 20 रेस्टोरेंट है, इटालियन, चाइनीज़, इंडियन, मैक्सिकन। तो हो सकता है कि अच्छा हो ये रेस्टोरेंट। तो दोस्तों मैं कर रहा था बात टैक्सी वाले से, तो टैक्सी वाले ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोली मुझे कि एक तो कि जमैका का इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है, फुल्ली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है। इसके ऊपर यूएस का भी थोड़ा हक है इसके ऊपर। यूके का भी थोड़ा हक है, ये फुल्ली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है। दूसरी चीज़ यहाँ से बहुत सारा नॉन टेक्निकल वर्क, नॉन स्किल वर्क करने लोग जाते हैं अमेरिका, यूएस। और यहाँ से यूएस की फ़्लाइट है सिर्फ 2 घंटे की। अगर यहाँ से न्यूयॉर्क जाना है तो सिर्फ 2 घंटा लगेगा आपको, तो बहुत नज़दीक है यहाँ से। या यहाँ से मियामी जा रहा है तो सिर्फ 1 घंटा लगेगा। तो मियामी जो है वहाँ पे बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ है, बहुत सारे ऑफिसेस है, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ से 1 घंटे में यूएस जा सकते हैं। लेकिन हाँ, वीज़ा प्रोसेस डिफ़िकल्ट है, वीज़ा जल्दी नहीं मिलता है इनको भी। अपने को जैसा वीज़ा है वैसे ही उनको वीज़ा प्रोसेस डिफ़िकल्ट है। मैं हूँ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, आपको दिखाता हूँ। यह है इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट। एम्बियंस तो अच्छा है, क्लीन है। तो मेनली जो इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में लोग रहते हैं या लोग खाते हैं, वो इंडियंस कम खाते हैं और लोकल के लोग ज़्यादा खाते हैं। चाहे आप यूरोप में देखो, चाहे आप कोई भी लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्री में देखो, तो यहाँ के लोग कम खाएंगे, यहाँ के लोग ज़्यादा खाएंगे, बाहर के इंडियन लोग कम आएँ, क्योंकि इंडियन लोग टूरिस्ट रहते हैं या कोई बिज़नेस के सिलसिले में आता है तो दिन में एक आधा आएगा। लेकिन यहाँ के लोकल जो क्राउड रहता है वो ज़्यादा रहता है, तो यहाँ पे बाकी के भी आते हैं। मैंने किया है ऑर्डर भट्टी का मुर्ग, बाद में पनीर टिक्का मसाला, एक तंदूरी नान और ओनियन सलाद और सॉल्ट एंड लस्सी। राइस की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। तो हुआ है दोस्तों हमारा खाना। ये है एरिया, रेस्टोरेंट एरिया। यहाँ पे सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं। ये है इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट सैफरॉन। तो अच्छा एरिया है, सारे रेस्टोरेंट एक ही जगह पे मिलेंगे आपको। तो मल्टी ऑप्शंस, एक ही जगह पे सारे ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे आपको। तो खाना तो अच्छा था। मैंने की है उबर बुक, टोयोटा प्रॉक्सी। तब तक रुकते हम लोग छाँव में। वाइट कलर की गाड़ी है। तो ये है दोस्तों किंगस्टोन। किंगस्टोन का एरिया। आई थिंक आगे ही जाते थोड़ा। बहुत खतरनाक धूप है, 42 डिग्री 45 डिग्री के आसपास धूप है, बहुत खतरनाक धूप है। आप 5 मिनट के ऊपर नहीं खड़े रह सकते धूप में, इतनी धूप है। तो जमैका की बात कर रहे थे। तो जमैका एक कैरेबियन आइलैंड है। 3 मिलियन पॉपुलेशन है जमैका का। इंडिया के लिए वीज़ा फ्री है, वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल है कह सकते हो, या वीज़ा लगता ही नहीं है। क्योंकि मैंने आया इमिग्रेशन पे पासपोर्ट दिखाया और डायरेक्टली उन लोगों ने ठप्पा लगाया। लेकिन जमैका एंटर करने से पहले 2 आपको फॉर्म भरने पड़ते हैं ऑनलाइन। ई टिकट एक फॉर्म रहता है और एक कुछ C5 ऐसा फॉर्म रहता है। कुछ नहीं, आपके बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योर पासपोर्ट, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, पासपोर्ट नंबर एक्सेट्रा, नेम। तो वो फॉर्म एक अलग है इनका, जो कोविड के टाइम से जो चल रहा है वही प्रोसेस है उनका, तो वही फॉलो करना पड़ता है। आई थिंक कंपनी उबर आई है, ब्लैक होंडा तो दिख रही है। लेट्स सी। बाहर जाके देखते हैं उबर है या नहीं है नहीं। हाँ इस और ओनली और उबर ओनली। तो अपनी ही उबर है दोस्तों। थोड़ा करते हैं कैमरे का सेटिंग। ये है अपनी उबर। इट्स वेरी हॉट। कैन आई सिट हियर?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's very hot.
Yeah. Very hot.
Yes, I'm making video.
Oh, okay. Taking the pin.
Yeah, okay. You will wait. I'm sorry.
What's that? YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
Ah,
99
okay.
66.
Alright. Okay.
Let's go. So I was talking about
Right.
Jamaica.
Then turn left.
So Jamaica is Caribbean island, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
okay, it's good.
Yeah.
So friends, talking about Jamaica, Jamaica is Caribbean island and our population is nearby 3 million. Very hot. Hotter than India, because in India we have very
It's hotter than India.
yes,
It's very hot, man.
India is not this much hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very hot.
Okay.
800 meters. Keep
I'm
left.
going to Indian restaurant.
Keep your nose clean.
Why is everyday traffic this much traffic?
Well, yeah. I mean, it's mountain, and people try to spend the money that they got. Pay, you know. So,
Okay.
people up and about, and it's also lunchtime for our workers. So
Correct.
people's running errands, buying lunch and stuff.
I'm also going for lunch to Indian restaurant.
Okay, yeah. I wonder if I should take this route. Where are you going again? East Road. I can't find a better route. Let's check. Crescent Spring.
तो दोस्तों आपको दिखाता हूँ जमैका का ट्रैफिक। ये है जमैका का ट्रैफिक। ये है जमैका सिटी। बहुत ही हॉट सिटी है।
I also have my YouTube channel too.
Yes. You also have YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay. About what?
I mean, like outdoor, like cooking, outdoor cooking, authentic style of cooking. You know?
Ah, very good.
Like grilling and stuff like that.
Okay. Like Jamaican food.
Yeah, like jerk chicken, jerk stuff, like grill on the grill.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the name of your channel?
Spartan Kitchen.
Okay. I will find it and subscribe it.
Right. Spartan Kitchen and Nick Spartan. So,
Okay.
Yeah, okay. But I'm not so active, you know, because I'm busy doing other things like this.
Correct. You have to give some extra time.
Yeah.
Then only YouTube will work. Otherwise, very difficult.
What's the name of your channel?
Venkatesh Madke is my name, and blog Venkatesh Madke blog.
Okay.
Blog.
Okay, blog, just put blog.
Yeah. So I travel around the world, and I make the videos.
Yeah. And your channel is already monetized, right?
Mine?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you're doing well then.
Yes. Yes.
That's where I want to reach. So I can just do it full time, just travel stuff and just, you know, yeah.
Yes. It takes time, man.
Yeah, I know. So
1 year it takes.
1 year, 2, 3 years, depends.
Yeah,
You know, it takes
yeah.
time. And it's based on the amount of time you put in.
Yes.
If we put in maximum time,
Correct.
then you can, within 1 year, you're supposed to, you can still try.
Correct. Yeah, tough game. But it's okay. तो ये है दोस्तों हाल ट्रैफिक का, यह है ट्रैफिक, हॉट समर.
Yeah.
This is summer going on, or which season is going on?
Is it summer?
Summer, okay.
Yeah, this is like the peak of,
Summer.
yeah, pretty much, well, almost around August. But
Okay.
But it's,
Peak
yeah.
summer.
Yeah, it's pretty much start from May.
Okay. Because we finish this month only, we finish summer.
Okay.
We started rainy season this month.
Ah. Good thing about our summer is that it's also hurricane season. So we get a lot of rainfall to combat the heat.
Okay.
Yeah.
This for my seat belt.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Good. Otherwise, this will keep buzzing. How many years England people ruled Jamaica?
How many years what?
England people, United Kingdom.
Okay.
How many years they ruled Jamaica?
I'm not quite sure about the history, but it's been since. I'm going to have to look that up.
Okay.
It's way back in this, maybe since some 18 or something like that.
Okay, and when they went back?
They get independence like 1962, something like that.
Okay. They ruled us. United Kingdom people ruled us 100 years.
Okay, 100
India.
Yeah.
They came in 1850 nearby, and they left 1947.
Okay.
So near about 100 year,
Yeah.
more than 100 year they ruled actually.
I think it's somewhere like that. We about in the 100, maybe that 100 or so years. They've been over us. But the irony is that they are still over us, but it's kind of under disguise.
Okay.
We're not truly independent.
You're not truly independent.
No.
Okay.
Because we still have the Governor General, which reports back to England. So
Report back to England.
yes.
And what about military? You have independent military?
The military, that protect the country, but everything is under government.
Okay.
We're still under the Governor General, which go back to England. So it's,
Do you have a direct flight to London?
yes.
Okay. That I didn't know that you have to report to.
Yes, man. Yeah. That's the whole. I think when you're truly independent, that's when you become a what do you call it? Republic.
Correct.
Yeah. Where you have you can now have your president and all of that.
Okay.
No governor. When there's a governor general, you're not truly independent.
Okay.
That's like a minister for the royalty people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know that. That's new for me.
Yeah. But everything these days is a deception. Huh?
Okay.
Deception.
Heavy before the head. Tell you about something that weighs heavy, kid. Traffic ain't it.
But you go for work to New York, to America?
Yeah, that's what a lot of Jamaicans do.
Okay.
Go to America for work,
Okay.
and they either send back some money what they save
Okay.
to help out, and to also, if when they come back, they can have have a next life after America. They can come back and live okay.
From here, how many hours flight from here to New York?
To New York,
Huh?
like New York,
Huh?
like 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, and nothing.
Yeah.
It's very near there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And if you're going to like Miami, it's like about an hour.
Miami 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very near.
Yeah.
Ah. But can you go by road?
Oh no.
No road connected.
Ship or plane?
Okay, ship or plane. Okay. But 1 hour is very nearby. 2 hour is very nearby.
I mean, there could be a bridge if they want, but
Okay, okay.
they're not gonna do that.
But visa is difficult, I think.
Yeah.
Visa is difficult.
I mean, the visa thing is that you want to prove to them that you are not desperate.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and you don't want to look like you're gonna run off.
Ah,
So it's very easy if you're like have your own business out here, you know, good job for a certain amount of time. You show that you can finance yourself.
okay.
No problem. No problem. Apart from that, you're gonna look suspicious.
Okay. Okay. Can you on the air condition? Is it okay?
Is it
It's so hot.
yeah, it's on, but I'm having a problem with it. It's blowing hot right now because the
Okay.
vehicle is stopping.
Okay, okay.
It's only get cool when I'm driving.
Okay.
It's a problem that I'm going to find out what's the problem.
Okay, because it's very hot.
Very hard, yeah. That's why I have to keep it. I'm
no
trying to keep it. But it only starts cool when I'm driving because the vehicle's a hybrid, so it's only working with the engine side, but the battery side is giving trouble.
Okay, okay, okay. Might be gas that you
No,
might have.
I've started to check it out already, and the gas okay, and some other things is okay, but I'm still doing checks. Yeah, I'm still.
I mean, the weather is so hot, even AC will not work.
Yeah. I mean, if I can just drive, you will feel cool. But
okay.
the traffic is killing. Yeah.
The weather is so hot.
Because it's supposed to in traffic. I'm on the battery. So, but the battery system with the AC is not working.
Correct.
I guess one of the reasons I would advise anybody to buy any hybrid car because it's coming like a scam. Hybrid car is like a scam.
Okay, okay.
You're not saving gas and sometimes you have AC trouble.
So there is only one language, right? English. There is no any other language.
Yeah, one language English, but it's just that within the English language you have accents and recall now.
Okay.
Diverse of it's one language, but you just have different accents.
Okay.
That might,
That's okay.
yeah.
But there is only one language,
Yeah,
English.
yeah.
Okay.
In terms of the Caribbean and
Okay.
America, England,
You
right for the West.
in the school also kids study in English only. In school.
School, you study English.
English. Okay. Same like India. India also we have English is our official language.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. At home we speak our local language.
Okay, yeah.
But our official language is English.
Okay, yeah, international. But it seems like that's most places, the international language is English.
Correct.
But I only thought that was for the West. You know, like what you said, I didn't know that English would be your first language. I thought it would be like a
No, English.
alternative that you guys.
English is our first language.
Okay.